Ladies and gentlemen of the Frappetta's company, this is your Act 1 beginners call. Act 1 beginners. Thank you.
It's only right that I'm currently playing the role of Barry Dock. I know it's ridiculous, isn't it? But I'm currently here in Carmarthen with my #1 fan in the dressing room. We're having an absolute ball in the good, the bad and the Welsh. We've got a great cast, a great crew and some great theatres I'm going to visit all over Wales. Come and see us if you fancy a great Welsh night out. We really look forward to seeing you.
I've got it.
Got what?
We are gonna do it. We are gonna do it in Vegas.
Too bloody right we're doing it in Vegas.
No, let's get married in Vegas.
Are you serious?
I've never been more serious. Look.
Las Vegas turning day into nighttime, turning night into daytime. If you see it once, you'll never be the same again. I'm gonna keep on the run, I'm gonna have me some fun. It cost me my very last dime. If I wind up broke, well, I'll always remember that I had a swing in time. I'm gonna give it everything I've got. Lady luck, please let the dice stay hot. Let me shoot a 7 with every shot. Viva Las Vegas! Viva Las Vegas! Viva Las Vegas! Viva, viva Las Vegas!
Yeah, beginners. I'm going to move the table.
Was that this spot?
There we are.
Sure, that was Bailey.
Jack,
Yeah?
let's move this table the best we've ever moved a table in our lives, okay?
Got the shit.
I'm telling a lie.
Harris, this way.
in bloody English.
Oh!
Viva